Okay, so we're going to look at some photos of our wines from our recent photo shoot. And we're here in Dropbox with all these lovely folders and subfolders. So Sony 2024 captures our photo shoots from across the year. Our most recent photo shoot here is about Pride Mountain, and each individual wine has its own subfolder with the original file name, and then some info on the wine name and the the angle of the photo. So what we've got going on here is needing to align our spreadsheet with the photo shoot, and that helps us with the editing of the photos later on. And it's pretty straightforward. What we're going to do is select all of the spreadsheet and filter by location. So we'll go KP was our location for this photo shoot, and then the bin was everything in G215. So we'll select all 11 bins that match that. And we can see that there's these 30 wines that are part of it there. And I've already added the note, but in column D, you'll just add the note that matches the name of the folder here. So 24, 10, 21 Pride Mountain Sky is what we input there. And that gives us our Dropbox folder. So that's part one. Part two is going over to our purchase order spreadsheet. We'll enable a filter and go to BB and just type in Pride, and we'll see that these 14 come up, and we'll just change logo image to Sony Draft and turn off the filter. And then we'll go to our input archive, which are some older items, and select all here, filter, scroll to the right, photo status, clear, Pride, okay, and then Sony Draft, like that. And that is 16 items. So 16 plus 14 is 30, which matches our count here. And then our team member Maxine will go through and make those edits, and they will end up on our website as photos by Sky, and we can see that we're now getting close to 187 listings, which is really exciting. We're making great progress. Okay, and then you just turn off the filter at the end, and we're done. And then once Maxine has the images on there, if we look for Quilceda, we can see what that looks like. So here's Quilceda Creek, front close-up, back, capsule, and their logo. So then that's set up there. That goes to Sony plus logo image. Super cool. Okay, thanks for watching.